Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying issue. If you have an LG washer, I'm talking about the clothes washer, and you already power it on and you set your setting and it's not starting. So you keep pressing and it's not starting, and then sometimes it just starts by itself after you waste like a minute sitting here or standing here pressing this button like a mad person. This is the solution for you. Alright, so what the washer is not telling you is that there is a problem, and it is checking out the problem or doing something, which is basically your water filter. So you probably have a dirty water filter when you have this problem, and what you need to do is turn it off. And let's start cleaning the water filter, draining the water first, and then cleaning the water filter there. So this is a drain hose. Water is going to come flowing out, so you can pull it a little bit and just remove the plug and let it drain. Okay. Shake it a little bit. See, there's dirty sediments coming out of it. Okay, so you leave that there, pointing down if you can. I'm gonna just use my thumb, and then you would let go of this filter, and yeah, there's no easy way to do that, but yeah, so the water's gonna come out. And I forgot to put a towel. It'll be good for you to put a towel in so that you can contain most of the water that comes out. So as you can see, you have some stuff and junk in this water filter. So I'm gonna get this clean and then put it back on. Alright, so I got this clean already, and I'm gonna do is just put it in. You just simply put it in and screw it clockwise until it's finger tight. Okay, and let's do a final shake and drain on this drain hose, and that's it. Alright, so cap that back off, push it in, and clip it. Alright. Another possible reason when the washer doesn't start is also the door, because sometimes the door sensor, you just need to push it in a little bit, just nudge it. There you go, it's starting. So yeah, so the first thing that you want to do is check the water filter, make sure that it's clean. The second thing is that it's maybe the door. One of those two should fix your starting issue, and if it doesn't, and you find something else that is possibly causing yours, please share in the comment of this video and let me know. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And if you find this kind of content useful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Thank you
Bye.
for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.